Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Sterling. Hey, we're back out here at Clapboard Creek. We're gonna try to get back on those reds. All right, maybe catch some trout too. And I really want to catch a flounder. I really want to cook up some flounder. But again, let me get the boat in the water and we'll be out there. Hey, I just want like a public service announcement. Like if you like fishing and you like coming out and experiencing nature, like sometimes it's more just about just being on the water and like, being outside. You know, keep the place clean. Like look, there's trash cans here and just trash. So just pick it up. Tell you what I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna catch a fish unless I put a good old dipski in. You just gotta hold your mouth right. And this helps. I'm telling you. I'm just kidding. I don't endorse tobacco use. Alright, I see birds over here, so follow the birds, find the fish. That was the motto last time. It worked very well for me, so we'll see how that works today. Well, it just jumped right there. That's a good sign. Oh yeah, here we go. Trout, trout, trout. That's what I'm talking about. Chill, bro. Lucky 15. Let's see. Yep. He's 16 inches. 16. Finally, a keeper trout. Waking up this morning to a nice little leg workout. This is pretty good little burn. Yeet yeet. One good thing about pedal kayak fishing. You get a workout too. Get your heart rate up a little bit in the morning to get into your spot. I'll tell you what, so much easier. Put these bad boys in full-wheel drive. It really is. It's kind of wild. So what I like about these 1/4 ounce jig heads is that you can just do a straight retrieve, like if you just want to reel it back, and it has good action. It's gonna sit a little bit below the water level, like that, you know, 2 to 3 foot range. But if you want to get in some deeper water, like that 5 to 6, you can throw it in that 5 to 6, and you can literally bounce it off the bottom. You can get kind of creative with it. You can also cast it into the flats and just straight retrieve. Keep your rod tip up and you'll keep it in that 1 foot range. It's very versatile, and that's why I like it. I will literally use this 1/4 ounce jig head all day long and just switch out paddle tails on it. Got another one. Well, this might be a red. This might be a red. It's got some good fight to him. Oh yeah, it's a red, baby. Woohoo! He looks slot too. Come here. Come here, bud. Oh, snap my line. Oh yeah. I think he's a slotty. He's small. Small slot, but I think he's a slot. Nope. Just under. He's 17. 17. You get to live another day, bud. Oh yeah, I think I got another red. Oh, flounder, flounder. Yes, yes, yes. Come here. Yes. And he is a keeper too. And he's a keeper. Bam. Look at that. I'm pretty sure he's a keeper. I believe it's 12. And he is 15. Keeping you, bud. The thing I learned is you always hit the creek mouths. Like anything running off these creeks, like hit it, because you never know. Like that current could be running through and fish could be sitting on the side. So just hit those creek mouths. Everyone you see that you think has some good current flow into or out of, likely that's where the fish are gonna be. Oh yeah. As soon as I cast in there. Trout. Yeah. Another keeper? I don't think he's a keeper. Nope. 12. Bam. Alright, so there was a shark just came up, so I put the fish inside the boat. Like, that was my one fear of having the floating stringer, is that sharks would come and try to take my fish. And that almost happened. Don't want that to happen. That'd be almost catastrophic. Have a shark come up and try to take my fish while it's connected to my boat. Oh, whatever it is, it's got some fight to him. Oh, it's a red. It's a red. I'm just letting him get tired. Yes, boy. Yes, boy. Another red. You don't like that. Nice red on the slam shady. I don't think he's... Oh, he's 17 and a half. It's 18 inches here, so you get to grow to be a little bigger, bud. You get to grow to be a little bigger. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. Not a bad fish. To the bottom. There he goes. Oh my goodness. I got a fish on while I'm another flounder. Oh yeah, baby. I'm over here knocking flies away. And there's a flounder on. Kind of scary. I've seen sharks and alligators in here. And meanwhile, I'm just hanging fish out the back of the kayak. pretty scary stuff. Nope, 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 nope. Stay in this boat. Stay in his boat. Thank goodness. 12 inches. He is 15. Another keeper. All right, y'all. It has been a rough day. There's been no wind. The bugs have been eating me alive. The bite was tough, but walked away with a couple reds, a couple flounders, one trout. So overall it was a good day. 2 flounders were keepers and 1 trout was a keeper. I would say that's a pretty good day. I've never actually made flounder or trout, but I'm gonna keep them. We're gonna try it out. I saw this video of a stuffed flounder. Looked very good, very good. So that's what I'm gonna try tonight. Some stuffed flounder, and then probably bake trout. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, but I am headed to the launch, and I will talk to you. All right, guys, we are on land. Got the boat in the truck, so we got those 3 flounder and 1 trout. It was a good day of fishing. You know, we caught those 2 reds. They were just under. Could have had 2 reds in the boat, and then I would have a keeper slam. But you know, I know that I caught a slam, even though those 2 reds weren't keepers. But hey, I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave some comments, especially for something you'd like to see. I've been fishing Clapboard Creek. If you're in the Jacksonville area, let me know some other places to fish. I'll go try those out, and then I'll see you again. Bye.